The following message is transmitted at the request of the Los Angeles Police Department. A mysterious situation is currently taking place in the city of Los Angeles and surrounding areas. At approximately 8:10 a.m. Pacific Daylight Time, multiple sources have reported seeing an unidentified creature underwater 10 miles west of Santa Monica. This creature is described as being massive and having dorsal plates on its back. This creature has no intentions of being hostile at this time. However, all residents receiving this message are advised to remain vigilant at this time, as this creature can be hostile at any moment. Please tune into local news outlets for more information on this developing situation.
This is ABC 7 News, with a strange story coming out of the city of Los Angeles and surrounding areas. Multiple sources have reported seeing an unidentified creature underwater 10 miles west of Santa Monica. This creature is described to be massive and having dorsal plates on its back. This creature is not hostile at this time, but it is advised to remain vigilant due to the unpredictable nature of this creature. We have a reporter live in downtown Los Angeles. Can you tell me what's happening over there?
I am currently living downtown Los Angeles at this time, and things are not bad over here. Many people have woken up to their phones displaying an emergency alert due to the situation. This creature does not pose a threat at this time due to it just being underwater. It is described as being massive with having dorsal plates on its back. Many people are saying that this could be the beginning of a monster attack, but that is fictional. It is unknown where it came from and what its identity is. Due to the unpredictable nature of this creature, the mayor has ordered residents of Los Angeles and surrounding areas to remain vigilant at this time. Back over to you, Ashley.
Thank you, Dave. Many people across LA are currently in a state of confusion right now because they honestly don't know what is going on and what is going to happen. Please stay safe during the situation. This is Ashley, signing off from ABC 7 News.
Civil danger for the city of Los Angeles. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Los Angeles Police Department. Residents of the city of Los Angeles, seek shelter now. At approximately 8:40 a.m. Pacific Daylight Time, the unidentified creature that was underwater 10 miles west of Santa Monica has been confirmed to be hostile. This massive creature was seen attacking the Santa Monica Pier. Everything at the pier was destroyed and people who were at the pier have been killed. At this time, all residents of the city of Los Angeles and surrounding areas should seek shelter now. Close and lock all windows and doors. Turn off all lights. Close all fireplace dampers and vents, and seal cracks on doors and windows with tape or damp towels. Take an important set of supplies for your shelter, such as non-perishable food, water, clothing, medical supplies, a flashlight, a first aid kit, and a battery-powered radio to last you for the duration of this emergency. Do not approach this creature as it is extremely dangerous. It will kill anybody on sight. Stay tuned to local news outlets for more information on this dangerous situation.
This is ABC News, with an update on the situation which is taking place throughout the city of Los Angeles. Things are starting to go downhill as I speak. It has been reported that the massive creature is terrorizing the city of Los Angeles, and it's using its sheer size to destroy anything in its path. All residents of the city of Los Angeles are advised to seek shelter now, as this creature is extremely dangerous and will attack anything in its path and kill anyone on sight. Back with our news correspondent Dave in downtown. How is it over there?
I'm still here in downtown, where things have started to go south very quickly. People are running for their lives as this creature is causing massive damage to the city of Los Angeles. Structures that have been attacked by the creature are completely destroyed. All residents of the city of Los Angeles, wherever you are, seek shelter immediately. This is an extremely dangerous and life-threatening situation. I have a feeling that an evacuation order will be issued soon, as I don't think this will get better anytime soon. Please do not approach this creature as it is extremely dangerous. It will kill anyone on sight.
Thank you, Tom. This is a scary situation and you need to take action immediately to protect your life. In other news, an evacuation order may be issued for the city of Los Angeles if this situation gets worse. This is Ashley, signing off from ABC 7 News.
Immediate evacuation for the city of Los Angeles and surrounding areas. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Los Angeles Police Department. At 9 a.m. Pacific Daylight Time, multiple eyewitnesses across the city of Los Angeles have reported seeing a massive dinosaur-like creature roaming around the city of Los Angeles. This creature is attacking anyone it sees with its sheer size. You may identify this creature by having the following characteristics: gray jagged skin, 164 feet tall, sharp teeth, small arms, skinny upper body, yellow-brown eyes, and extreme aggression. It has been confirmed that the creature's name is Godzilla. As a precaution, all residents of the city of Los Angeles and surrounding areas are strongly advised to evacuate the city immediately. Take important supplies with you such as non-perishable food, water, clothing, medical supplies, a flashlight, a first aid kit, and a battery-powered radio with extra batteries for the duration of this emergency. When you evacuate, tie a white towel or cloth to an area such as your front door or mailbox to show authorities you are aware of the situation. If you require assistance, do not use the towel. Should you require assistance, emergency management and law enforcement officials will escort you to the nearest pickup point. Before you evacuate, close and lock all windows and doors, shut off all gas, and seal up any cracks on doors and windows with tape or damp towels. Do not pick up relatives from hospitals or nursing homes, as these facilities have their own emergency procedures, and will follow them accordingly. Try to take only one car per family, if possible. Do not, in any circumstances, approach this creature as it is considered extremely dangerous. It will attack and kill anyone on sight. Evacuate now. If you stay in the area, you You are at risk of being killed by the creature. This is an extremely dangerous and life-threatening situation. Do not panic. Panicking will only make the situation worse than it already is. Please stay tuned to local news outlets for more information on this dangerous situation.
This is ABC 7 News, and the situation in Los Angeles just keeps going downhill. Now there are reports of a large and extremely dangerous dinosaur-like creature that is roaming around the city of Los Angeles and using its sheer size to attack anything on sight. It has been confirmed that this creature's name is Godzilla. He has gray radiated skin, is about 164 feet tall, has sharp teeth, has a skinny upper body, and has extreme aggression to anything in its path. An immediate evacuation has been ordered for the entire city of Los Angeles due to the city being too unsafe for people to seek shelter. Back over to Dave. How is it now?
I am still here in Los Angeles, and it looks like hell on earth. Godzilla is literally attacking and killing everything on sight, and has no mercy for anyone. Its sheer size can bring a devastating impact towards anything that it impacts. The military has been deployed to combat this threat. An immediate evacuation order has been issued for the entire city of Los Angeles as the city is no longer safe. If you are anywhere within the Los Angeles metro area, evacuate immediately. The city is no longer safe. Shelters have opened up in cities including Seattle, Portland, Las Vegas and Phoenix. Holy crap, I see Godzilla. I need to leave now.